The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright, so my new name is Island Dave because I'm out here like an island boy. And if you don't believe me, then I get to talking that island talk. You want me to box you down? I'll box you down. Oh yeah? Oh, who you talking to? You talking to me? Yeah? Go suck your mother.
No!
Yeah.
You cannot say that.
Yeah, I can say that. I'll box you down. Go suck your mother. You. Over here talking like an island boy. Because that's what I am. I'm an island boy. Hey. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Good man.
What's up, bro? See that? Speaking like an island boy. Huh? You know what? What'd you say to me? Rasclad. Bamba. What? What? Did you say to me? What else do I know, babe?
Say, move on, go away.
Yeah, move on, go away. Move on, go away.
No.
Huh? Move on, go away. Huh? You gonna put me down? You gonna put me on them? Rasclad. Yeah. Huh? My youth. That's right. Talking like an island boy. Call me Island Dave. Whenever I go on vacation, I'm on an island. Don't refer to me as Kevin Hart no more. Call me Island Dave. Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Yeah?
Viewers and subscribers, Kevin Hart is here. He's in Jamaica. Kevin Hart. You know Kevin Hart? You see me? Yeah. Kevin Hart, famous movie star, actor. Yeah. Well, him there, you see me? And it seems to me like he's trying to learn the Jamaican language. Now, him kinda get it. To be honest. Him kinda get it. Him not really sound as if him catch it to the full extent. For some reason, the accent has a thing to do with the accent. The accent make a bar. But for those who are trying to learn Jamaican language, because I don't know, Seriousskilla is out there where there are other people that is not exactly from Jamaica, but actually interested in Jamaica are my channel and so forth. If you are trying to learn the Jamaican language, the things that you have to do is to know that it's practically broken up English, you see me? And the accent is something that comes from within the guts, alright? Well, that's all I can say really and truly. The rest of it you have to feel, alright? But big up yourself, Kevin Hart, you're there. You see, it goes to show you Jamaica is a nice place. Everybody wants a piece of Jamaica to enjoy it, and it feels good to know so that enough superstar like yourself, Kevin Hart, they out there, so I try to take a little piece of Jamaica and bring it back home with you, alright? So big up yourself, you see it? Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know me, I'm going to have to keep you up to date and post it. I'm going to take a look and see what go on. Kevin Hart in Jamaica. I'm going to big him up anywhere you want to see me, see it? And as always, I don't know the thing go already. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. I'm going to big up on yourself, yeah? You see it?